Hey everyone, if you're into 3D printing, you know how amazing it is to bring your designs to life. But have you ever run into this problem? You design a part that needs screws, maybe for an assembly or mounting, but the threads you print directly into the plastic part just aren't strong enough. They strip easily, wear out quickly, and just don't feel reliable for anything heavy duty or that needs repeated use. Well, today we're talking about a game-changing solution: heat set inserts. These little guys are a massive upgrade for creating truly functional and durable 3D printed parts. So what exactly are they? Heat set inserts, are also called threaded inserts, are typically small metal cylinders, often made of brass, with internal screw threads. The magic is on the outside: knurls, grooves, or patterns designed to grip plastic tightly. The installation process is key. Using a tool like a soldering iron or a heat press, you heat the insert. The heat softens the plastic material of your 3D print just enough to press it into a pre-designed hole. As the plastic cools and resolidifies, it forms an incredibly strong bond around the insert's external features. This creates a robust mechanical interlock. Why go through this extra step? Because 3D printed plastic threads have limitations. They lack the strength and wear resistance for many real-world applications. Heat set inserts solve this by embedding strong, durable metal threads directly into your part. This opens up possibilities for functional prototypes that can actually withstand testing, long-lasting replacement parts, and complex assemblies. Let's talk benefits. Number one is enhanced strength and durability. Metal threads are simply much stronger and more resistant to wear than plastic. Tests show that heat set inserts have significantly higher pull-out and torque resistance compared to printed or even tapped threads. No more stripping. Number two is reliability and reusability. Need to assemble and disassemble your part frequently? Metal threads maintain their integrity use after use, unlike plastic threads, which degrade over time. The melted-in bond is super secure. Number three is design flexibility. Heat set inserts enable modular designs. They can sometimes be more space efficient than embedding nuts and are often easier to design than complex internal threads or secure nut traps. How are they compared to other methods? Direct printing threads are usually too weak for real loads. Tapping threads better, but still weaker than inserts, especially for smaller sizes. Embedding is strong but requires pausing your print and careful design. Self-tapping screws, they're convenient initially, but can damage the plastic over time with repeated use. Heat set inserts provide the best balance of strength, durability, and ease of integration for demanding applications. Now let me show you how to design a part that uses heat inserts, as well as actually inserting it in the completed part. Here I'm designing a mounting bracket so that I can mount my camera right above my iPad when I'm filming videos, which allows me to see my notes. The first step is to sketch and then extrude the mounting bracket itself. Next, we'll need to find the dimensions we need for the heat set insert. This can be found on the package that the inserts come in. We will then cut a hole in our part this size to where we can press our heat set insert into. I repeated the process for the hole on the top of the bracket. Finally, I chamfered the edges of the mounting bracket for a clean print. Now it's time to slice the file. I used the strength profile, and in addition I increased the wall loops for a strong print. I also changed the sparse infill pattern to 3D honeycomb for some increased strength. Since I'm using ABS on my mount, I set the temperature on my heat press to 265 degrees Celsius. I then placed the heat press on the mount and pressed down until it was fully in place. Here you can see the finished mount mounted on my tripod. So if you want to take your 3D printed parts from simply models to truly functional, durable components, heat set inserts are an essential technique to learn. They add a professional touch and the mechanical reliability you need for serious projects. Give them a try on your next project. You'll be amazed at the key differences they make. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like for similar videos in the future. Happy printing. Threads are secure nut traps. Boy, did I just say that. They can sometimes be more space efficient than embedding nuts and often are easier designed for more complex internal threads or secure nut traps. You just need a properly sized hole. Sorry, guys. Sometimes my humor is like a 3-year-old.